Kaya? Siya naman ngayon. Tawa niyo na lahat yan. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Action.
I told you.
Ano ba? 1, 2, 3, action.
I told you so. I told you so. If someone slow will never be a real somebody. Where it goes to happy and no profit. What turning to is believing. They will drag it all. Keep people into our house. Leaders.
Sila na makinig ka.
Enlightened. May what is happening to our society.
Tawag sinatawi.
And here we are. Different confusion. We have even little fingers that we understand and know from this place in the family. I tell you, if I were a man, I will.
Tingin nga, paubos.
Asa na si Don Pedro?
Ayun sa akin sa'yo.
Wala.
Ayun sa akin sa'yo.
Diyan ka lang. What do you think? I'm going to talk. Makaubos ako.
Wala magdadala ng volleyball ang gulo.
Si Urias sa'yo. Oh, well. I thought you were practicing.
Uy, yung ano, bata. Don't get funny. I was telling you about that son-in-law of yours.
My son-in-law? Where do you get that stuff?
Wait lang, ma.
My son-in-law? He is my son-in-law. When you get your visit, and he is your son-in-law. When you like.
Well, you are the one who thought ay nakarin ko pa lang ang orange.
Ay, kasi nandito ka sa burger na yun yung mga ngati ako. Baka picture ka naman dito.
Sige, kumanga mo.
Wala magdadala ng volleyball.
O yan! Ikaw lang yung nag-react. Lumayo ka sa akin, Rol. He's a good boy.
Hello, wala tayong unity.
The only one different in the family.
You hate yourself, don't you? If you're you were afraid to you're afraid to wear this out, or you would be going into politics.
What's wrong with politics? Simply because we have many bum politicians who while also should keep out of it. We need sincere courageous and sincere politicians who were grandstand players and hot air without government just a kind of
The thing of ordinary people come into our house and we have smiles. The neighbors we are feeling like doing it. And what will our friends in our society say?
Wala magdadala ng volleyball ng
Rol.
Ano ba kasi? Oh, kita nyo nga na-distract sila, oh.
Mga anak na yan!
Let them talk their heads off.
This is a society that is making decisions.
Uy, teka, wawin mo.
Where will this get price of admission? Honest neighbor.
Not all of them are bad.
Oh, speak that.
There you go again, after the rising generation.
Pipilitin nyo na nga, isin nyo na nga.
Is one of them.
But suppose he loses in the election.
I married you.
Don't be insulting. You forget that only 1 after 30 years ago.
Malacanang.
Oh well, I don't know. Perhaps you may be right.
Commonwealth.
Oh, but don't get me excited.
Hindi lang katawa-tawa yan, ah.
Oh my, I wonder what I wear. Well, it be my new pink terno or a lavender with a golden butterfly. But the trouble, my lavender dresses, I already wore it once to a party. And oh, Maria! Dahil nakasturera at nakamat mo.
Patay, hindi alam kung kailan ko pa ako.
O, game na.
Ayos na ba?
Mararang.
No, it's arguing. Here, I have made up my mind.
Hindi naman eh, pani.
Bakit akin to?
Manarang. Kasi wala ka,